As big data analytics comes of age and access to common data sets reaches to every corner of the globe, many more subjects of all kinds now receive focus by research firms, academics, and companies. The management science behind R&D, product development, and innovation is no exception. Recently, the importance and value of product design has been receiving increased industry attention. What works, and its ties to and impacts on business results. The Product Design Value 767 Plus series addresses 20 product design topics in 3 distinct programs. The first program, 7 Ways to Create Value with Product Design, focuses on opportunities to design in capabilities that enhance the appeal and increase the value of products from their point of purchase throughout the product lifecycle. We discuss 7 different opportunities and quantify the size of the financial possibility for each. Each of the 7 ways to create increases ROI and rates of return in some way. The second program, 6 Ways to Reap Value from Product Design, focuses on opportunities to increase the value of products, portfolios, and brands that have been robustly designed or are well along in design. We discuss 6 different opportunities and quantify the size of the financial possibility for each. Each of these 6 ways to reap increases ROI and rates of return in some way. The third program, 7 Measures That Value Product Design, focuses on measures that characterize or quantify good design in the eyes of customers and users. While some measures also have utility for internal purposes, such as product quality, reliability, and cost, this program centers on how customers, users, markets, and the investor community regard the products. Each of the 7 measures to value tie to program or corporate ROI and ROR in some way. Thank you for taking the time to investigate the 767 series. For each program, we do our best to synthesize the most important aspects of each subject area, the things that rise to the top, the things that generate the most value, the things that really should not be missed. We hope you found several topics you wish to further explore. These programs may be purchased individually or as a bundle of 3 for the price of 2. Thank you again for listening.